right here, what was the marine biologist's discovery that you learned about?
She discovered, but she saw a octopus floating around in like the water, and it says right here that an octopus floated into view, and then he thought it looked like all the other, and then he was amazed that the octopus began to change shapes.
Began to change shapes. Was that different from other octopus he'd seen before?
Yes.
How so?
Because he thought it looked like all the same, but then he saw its head flatten and then its arms go all together.
So what was it mimicking?
It was mimicking a stingray.
Awesome. So that was the very unique discovery that he found, wasn't it?
Yes.
So no, like we talked about before with your
Endings.
reading. You did a great job with your word endings today. Your accuracy was awesome. Okay, you read this and then you tripped up on a couple little sight words, but you read this with at least like 95% accuracy, okay? Couple things. The heading right here is really important to always read.
Okay.
Did you realize that you missed that part? Why do we read the heading?
So then what it's about.
What?
So you know what it's about.
Yeah, a lot of times that tells us the main idea, so make sure that you don't skip that part, okay? So let's do a little bit of multisyllabic word. Can you pick a word that has more than one syllable here that you read? Can you just point to one on the page? That's actually the one that was in my head too. Can you look closely at that word and find the parts?
In this one.
Let's do amazement. Can you look closely at the word and find the parts?
Yeah.
Can you think about those parts and write it? Leave it flat. Leave the board flat. Awesome. Swoop the parts that you wrote. What were the three parts in that word?
Amazement.
Do you think you got it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know you got it right when you did that. Awesome. Check in the book and just make sure. Right there. Amazement. Awesome, you did it. Okay, you can erase and take about 20 seconds just to pick one of the animals that you're going to write about today for your example. Okay? Take 20 seconds to look over the work on this little fish.
Okay.
Okay. There's about 20 seconds till we're going to start writing, okay?